Hey everyone, welcome to day 1 of my high frequency GRE vocabulary series. If you are ready to boost your GRE vocabulary, you are in the right spot. Today we are diving into 3 keywords that will supercharge your GRE preparation. And those words are abate, aberrant and abeyance. I'll break down each word, explore its meaning, then show you how it's used in sentences, then apply all 3 words in a short passage that represents a real life scenario so that you'll remember them deeply for life. So stay with me until the end to fully master these words. Ready to get started? Let's jump into our first word, and that is abate. Abate means to make something less intense or reduce it. For instance, his fever started to abate, or the storm suddenly abated. And the next sentence is aberrant. Aberrant means something that is different from what is normal or expected. So if I use the word aberrant in sentences, it will be like that: his aberrant behavior at the party surprised everyone, or the scientist observed an aberrant result in the experiment. And the last word is abeyance. Abeyance means to temporarily stop or suspension. For instance, the project is in abeyance due to the lack of resources, or the new rule is in abeyance until further notice. That's all for the words and their sentences. For the short passage based on a real life scenario, please visit the link in the description box where you can download it. So that's a wrap for today. We have covered 3 words: abate, aberrant and abeyance, exploring their meanings and their real life usage. I hope these words are now crystal clear to you and ready to use. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more GRE tips and ring the bell so you never miss any update. So anyway, stay blessed and stay tuned for next video.